Hi guys, Kanditoybox here. I just want to say this video is not sponsored, and I wanted to give a shout out to Crumpet. She's the owner of candypatterns.com. I will leave a link in the description so you can go check it out. I have reconstructed a few of her patterns on my YouTube, and I thought you guys should check out her site because it's pretty cool. You can go there for inspiration or connect with other candy kids. You can design your own patterns or use the ones that are available on the site. If you do, please credit that user if you use their pattern. And here are just some examples of some of the patterns that Crumpet designed. If you are already a member, you can drop your name in the comments. And I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you next time.